Hello and welcome to Zak's Traders Cafe. Today I'm joined by Segun Lawson, who's President and CEO at Thor Explorations. Hi today, Segun.
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Zach?
Very well. We spoke, I think, a few months ago, or a couple of months ago, and today you've got your latest results, operating results, Q2 and H1 2024. Maybe you can run through them.
Yeah, sure. We had a very strong Q2 and, improved on last year's Q2 and also improved on this year's Q1. We sold just over 23,500 ounces of gold. That's an average gold price of just over $2,300 per ounce. At a cash cost of $585 per ounce and all-in sustaining costs of $802 per ounce sold. This was a very good quarter because for a number of reasons. Obviously, financially, it was a record quarter for us in terms of net profit and revenue. However, operationally, we had made some changes and upgrades to the plant, which had been implemented and commissioned, and we were happy to have, improved recoveries during the quarter, an average of 94.6% on our recoveries. We also made significant payments towards our senior debt repayment, and the balance of that is just over $6.5 million, should I say. We will be making a payment at the end of September, and at the end of December, we will be fully repaid on our senior debt facility. And we have made an additional $6.4 million net towards our payables. So everything moving in the right direction, strengthening of the balance sheet, strong cash flows, leaving us with a net profit for the period, which I said earlier was a record for us, $27.5 million.
Well, I mean, it looks as though almost all the metrics are buzzing like a bee. You've also got the prospect of becoming debt-free, I suppose, by the end of the year or, in coming months. Is there anything that you think that there's work to do or any sort of scope for improvement in what you are currently delivering?
Yes, I mean, of course, we're, running an operation like this is always spinning a number of plates. We would like to, it's hard work maintaining this level of recovery. Importantly, we would like to keep that. We would like to have sustained access to high-grade areas of the ore body as per the mine plan. And I think very importantly, we continue to make an effort to stay on top of our costs. Right now, we are continuing to optimize our power production and our power usage, and we believe there are still, small margins and small wins to be made on optimizing our power. I think the biggest win for us and our shareholders would be to demonstrate a material mine life extension. In that regard, we have, kicked off exploration, which we have painstakingly been trying to improve over the course of this year. And we've carried out a number of studies from independent structural consultants. We've incorporated grade control data to design our drill targets underneath the pit. We have a lot more knowledge than where we were a year ago on that. Looking at new interpretations on how the higher grade shoots are plunging from north to south, shallow dipping, higher grade shoots. So, we've should I say, ring-fenced a 12,000 meter drill program, which is ongoing now. And we hope we are aiming to get our first set of material results out in September.
Plenty to look forward there. I mean, clearly the record gold price is helping you. The low cost of production is helping you. Perhaps the only thing missing is that this time last year, the shares were nearly 24p. They're still below that. Wouldn't it be fair maybe by, sometime during the autumn that we get back to that kind of valuation, maybe 150 million market cap, that kind of thing?
Yes, I certainly hope so. Look, we're in these times of record high prevailing gold prices, and us generating or producing the gold we're supposed to produce, I think we're very cheaply valued. We will be debt free, like I said, at the end of the year from a senior debt perspective, and continuing to generate cash. We also have significant upside potential. I believe, not only in the potential to extend the mine life from underground, we do have satellite deposits that can be aggregated and put towards an extension of the mine life. But we also have another project in Senegal, which is, I believe, can deliver significant amounts of value to shareholders. We have 1.78 million ounces in a global resource there that is sitting on a project which we believe we can build without any shareholder dilution. That's currently being advanced through various PFS studies. We just completed a 15,000 meter drill program. We have released during Q2 at the end of June some very encouraging first set of results. We will be releasing the next set of results shortly, and then the remainder of the results probably in September. We have drill results from Nigeria underground to be press released as well. And then the milestones for that are an updated resource and subsequently a preliminary feasibility study. Now, a preliminary feasibility study would be the first opportunity anyone's going to be able to assign some economic metrics to this project. And given where it is now, back of the envelope, you can already see we're looking at something in the region of a 10-year mine life. So there are very good growth prospects here. And it's all underpinned by strong gold production at record high gold prices.
Well, we look forward to more of that. In the meantime, Segun Lawson, President and CEO at Thor Explorations, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.